Every day I assume every position I have is wrong. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about a quote that Tudor Jones said, and that's, every day I assume that every position I have is wrong. Now this has probably had one of the biggest impacts on my trading out of all the things I've read, market wizards, different traders, reminiscence of a stock operator, Brent Penfold, Universal Principles of Successful Trading, Peter Brandt, all these things. But I've talked about blowing up small trading accounts. I've talked about having a profitable trading system and then deviating from that and blowing my accounts up on 1 or 2 or 3 simple trades after having a great run of trades. And then eventually through Peter Brandt learning and something clicked eventually with looking at Schaubacher's work and listening to Peter and going through charts and just understanding asymmetrical risk reward and predefining your risk, but also the Paul Tudor Jones, reading a lot about him and what he's been able to accomplish. But all of these guys, even in the market wizards, regardless if they ended up as institutional fund managers and generating huge amounts of income from fees and everything else, they all started off as traders, and they were able to cut their teeth trading and turning small accounts into large accounts. Michael Marcus, $700 into several million. But Paul Tudor Jones, every day playing great defense, coming into the office assuming no matter how well you've done and how cocky you are and how overconfident you are, sticking to your trading plan and assuming that your next trade is going to be a loser, and therefore predefining your risk, sticking to your position sizing rules. Now, if I was to ask you, out of all the people that are listening, a lot of the emails I get, the questions I get, one of the biggest things I ask is, if you've blown up trading accounts, how did that happen? You don't blow up a trading account by sticking to your trading plan. You blow up a trading account by playing great offense, which means that you're thinking about how much money can I make? How right am I? I know where the market's going. So you over leverage, or you take a trade outside of your trading plan because you're so smart and you know exactly what you think is going to happen next. And like Mark Douglas talks about this, because we don't know what's going to happen next and that anything is possible, that is the main reason to, number one, keep your risks controlled, control your downside, play great defense. I watch stuff every single day, and this, I talk about getting the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, and the reason why that is, go to my blog, download it, it's an audio file, listen to it on your phone or on your MP3, wherever you want to go. The purpose of that is to bulletproof your mindset daily, to listen to these guys who have become successful, listening to people who have been able to become profitable and consistent, because they've all blown themselves up at some point. And that's what you have to realize. You're not alone. You're not alone in making mistakes. Great traders have losing trades all the time, but they control their downside. And the next part of the equation is to sit on your winners and have an asymmetrical risk reward and ride your winners and squeeze the most out of your profitable trades as your trading plan calls for, and just go on from trade to trade to trade, and every single trade is just another trade. And then you monitor, in blocks of trades, whether it's 10, 20, 30, 50, whatever it is for you, depending on what time frame you're trading, what your expectancy is. Understand your risk of ruin, which is on your trades. Risk of ruin is that if you're taking losing trades and you're risking too much, at some point you're going to blow yourself up and lose all your trading capital. So you have to understand that you need to stay in the game. So when you come into your trading desk, whether it's day trading, swing trading, position trading, whatever you want to call it, end of day trading, assume that your next trade is going to be wrong. And knowing that, if you know that in advance, you know to control the downside. So hopefully you got some value from today's video. Traders, Paul Tudor Jones. I assume that every single day when I come into the office that my next trade is a loser. If you can understand that you're in the business of professional trading, it's about risk management, It's about asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities. It's about playing great defense, and it's about sticking to your trading plan and focusing on flawless execution. And don't focus on the outcomes. You can't control the outcomes, but you can control the process. Have a great trading week. Non-farm payrolls tonight. I'm sure we're going to see some big moves in the market. And then, of course, just found out that $70 million in Bitcoin got hacked. So have a great trading week. We'll talk about that next week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High-Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.